We got a few new things that we're gonna open up. What do we got first, Nathan?
Alright, so we got ourselves a new tool for us because we're gonna be doing paint corrections. So I'm gonna show y'all what it is. It is a new paint thickness gauge. We figured since we're gonna be doing paint corrections, it'll be good to have this tool on hand to make sure, you know, we're not burning through any clear coat. You know, make sure we're doing our job correctly.
Is there any specific reason why we got this one, Nathan? I know there was a few that we were looking at.
So we got this one mainly just because it wasn't too expensive, and I figured, you know, why pay like, you know, for a $200, you know, nice one when we, you know, we're still kind of just learning.
So I've never used this one myself, but Nathan has some experience doing this, so we'll definitely have a video on this paint gauge unit coming up in the next few weeks. Okay, so it has some sort of test units here that we could use. And it shows the gauge right there. Anything you want to test it out?
Yeah.
So that one's 1.97 and is reading 2.2. That one is 39.4, it is reading 39.3. So it's not gonna be like 100% accurate, but I think for $50, it's definitely gonna help us out to prevent any damages to the customer's car. Because there is like a $200 one that a lot of people recommended, but we decided to go with this one for right now.
Yeah, I know, like I said before, you know, we're still just trying to learn, so we didn't want to spend that much money into, you know, a gauge right now. Maybe later when we, you know, learn a little bit more, and get more experience, then we'll probably spend the money to buy a nicer one for sure.
So we got this new auto detailing kit from Rigid. A lot of people actually recommended this on our TikTok, so we decided to go ahead and buy it. I've seen a lot of other detailers use it as well. I think it was like 50 bucks. We bought it directly from Amazon. The local Home Depot did not have this.
So you got your narrow nozzle to make it easier to get in the cracks and stuff like that.
It's definitely gonna help out.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Kind of not sure. We might use that or just use the standard one that we already have.
Here's the hose.
I believe it comes with an adapter. There we go, there's the adapter. We could use that same vacuum that we already have. So pretty much, like the box says, it's for detailers. So it definitely help us out, speed up the process whenever we do vacuums and whenever we have, you know, a lot of pet hair and stuff like that.
So I think I'm gonna like this a lot because it's a lot longer than the current hose we have. So I'm pretty excited about that.
Making things easier.
Yeah, for sure.
So there it is. Just something else that we decided to spend on 50 bucks, but it's worth the investment for us. Alright, so this is the ceramic coatings that we're gonna use for now. So we're gonna open them for you guys. Some of you guys have actually recommended these in the comments, so we appreciate the comments and all the feedback that you guys give us.
I'll show that side. Alright, so one of the coatings we got is the Geon Can Code. I think that's how you say Geon. This is a 1-year coating. We're pretty excited to use it. We're gonna be able to offer our clients, you know, a cheaper alternative to, like, you know, regular ceramic coatings. So this is like a 1-year, you know, ceramic wax, I guess you could say. It's not full ceramic coating, but we're pretty excited about this.
And what I like about this one is that you can actually use it outside. So for right now that we don't have a shop, I think it's gonna come in handy.
Yeah, it's gonna be very convenient because We don't even have a canopy yet to do like ceramic coatings, so we'll probably have to do it in people's garages. But yeah, we can apply this outside, so it makes things just a whole lot easier. The whole process easier.
And I believe it was like around $60 to $70. And a lot of people were saying that we could get at least 4 cars from it. So we're pretty excited about this one. We'll be trying it in one of our personal cars in the next few days. Alright, so this one might not be a brand that you guys have heard of, but it's a local brand that is actually very close to us. We have a big community, a lot of people use them.
Yeah, I've been seeing it in groups and stuff, but people are just recommending it. But we're pretty excited. I'm excited about it. It is Underdog Pro. It's technically a Teflon coating, but a lot of people they say it's just way more durable than like the regular ceramic stuff. A lot of people just have been recommending this, so we've been wanting to try it out.
So we bought these because we bought 10. They had a promo, so we got them $50 each. So it's a pretty good deal. Hopefully this should be good enough for at least 1 car for a big truck. I think maybe like what, 1.5 for a big truck?
Yeah, probably, maybe 2, depends. And we also got water spot remover. Gonna try that out.
Also from Underdog.
And we also bought their soap
For prepping and after, for maintenance washes.
Yeah, so good to have that when we apply this to customers' cars. It's supposed to be a 3-year coating. Well, it says multi-year. I guess it really just depends how you maintain the car. But a lot of people would say it's usually like 3 years. But yeah, we're pretty excited about it.
Let's go open one of those up.
Yeah, show y'all.
I'm missing one. Oh, that's the one you got, right?
Alright guys, here it is. The Underdog Pro. And I don't know, well, I've been wanting to get they have like a secret 1-year coating that it's like limited, I guess, and I've been wanting to get that, but we saw this, it was on sale, so we decided to go ahead and jump on that deal.
Yeah, it was a pretty good deal. May sale, so you got all 10 of them for $500. I think the water spot was like $20, and then this was like 15 for the soap, 15 or 20, I forget. But yeah, we're pretty excited trying Underdog. We've seen a lot of good reviews from a lot of people near us, and they have a great community. If you guys are on Facebook, go ahead and join them, the Underdog coating community. They have a lot of good stuff. The owner is a pretty cool guy. Yeah, he really takes care of his customers, and he's open for feedback and just helps everyone out. So this is the ceramic coatings that we're using for this summer. There's a few other that we want to try out, but we're gonna stick with these for right now. And then we still have the Etzaforma ceramic coating that we were using earlier, so we're gonna continue using that bottle until it runs out.
Yeah, that one's like a 1-year coating also. So I haven't really checked up on the last client. He hasn't really called back for I guess a maintenance wash. So I'm not sure how it held out from when we applied it, but it seemed pretty good. I tried it out before I left his house just to see how the beading worked. But it seemed pretty good. So maybe he'll call us back and we can set up a maintenance wash and show you how it looks like now.
Thank you so much for watching. This is the coatings that we're going to use right now. We're going to have more videos pretty soon actually applying them out with customers' cars and our personal cars as well. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. That way you can see all this content. If you have any suggestions of what else we could do, leave it in the comments below. Remember to like it and comment below. That way YouTube can share with other people. Appreciate you guys.